If you travel with wigs, you already know how many things you need. You need everything but the kitchen sink. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody in between. I am back with somebody else's hair and a suitcase. And guess what? It is, girl, what is it? It is another Amazon travel must-haves for wigs exclusively, okay? Clink, clink, clink. Girls be going to the beach. The girls be going on girls' vacays. And guess what? Do y'all even know what to pack? Do we even know what to pack? It was only a few years ago that I decided that I'm gonna have a wig travel bag set up and ready to go, because guess what? I'm Bronner Brothers girl. It's basically a hair show everywhere I go. I'm gonna make sure I have my clip-ins. I'm gonna make sure I have my wigs. I'm gonna make sure I have my hair tools. Everything is pre-packed and ready to go, just waiting for me to book a trip. Now, I did this before, I think back in 2021. I done upgraded, you know what I'm saying? I wanted to show y'all the different things that I have in my pack that make it a little bit easier for me to travel. And it's gonna make it a little bit easier for you to travel as well. If you travel with wigs, you already know how many things you need. You need everything but the kitchen sink. I like versatility, so I wanna wear my natural hair out because I don't want tan lines on my forehead. I like wigs at night when I have on a full beat. And I still like to style my natural hair as well, just in case I get in the pool. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna make it quick, not too much, not too long, because y'all got tickets to book. First of all, this is the upgraded pack that I got. I don't know if you saw my last one. It was basically like a luggage pack, girl. I just rigged it, but we done upgraded to this thing right here. Now this is from Amazon. It's like this is a double layer traveling case. So it's for like all your tools and stuff like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like on the inside. Stacked, full to the brim, girl. This thing about to spill over, but guess what? Everything still fits. So we have the top layer here. And then we're gonna start with the wigs, because the wigs and clip-ins are in this one bag. Girl, I got two wigs and one clip-in. That is busting at the seams, girl. It look like sourdough. I like to pack my wigs as they don't look nice by the time I get to my location, but I know I have time to style them. I like to put all my wigs in one bag and then just squish it into my bag. Yes, that's how I do it. We're gonna start with my clip-ins. Oh my God, I need to actually put these back on. I wore these clip-ins earlier today when I had an appointment, and I popped these out, popped this back, popped this wig on. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I can change my hairstyles in a second. And my clip-ins that I have, these are Yaki clip-ins from Amazon from Amazing Beauty Hair. I do like these clip-ins, but girl, they are prone to sending you the wrong bundles. Okay, it happened to me twice. Now these are supposed to be Yaki straight, and I got silky straight and Yaki straight, but either way, they're similar. They're really, really good. And I feel like these are good for if you want to go out to the pool, but it makes it easier for me to switch from clip-ins to wigs. Now, the next type of wig that I like to have is a curly wig. Girl, you know what I'm saying. Girl, I have a lot of wigs. Now, one of the wigs, this wig right here is a wild African hair wig. This wig comes pre-curled. I talked about this wig before, but this wig is still absolutely awesome. It may show up in the wig sale, girl. I have to let it go. But this is a perfect vacation wig. First of all, it has natural edges, and the hair itself, once you wet it, this is what my wig looked like. This looks natural, like it could be your hair. Absolutely love this wig. So I would wear something like this on my way down from the trip to the trip, but I also will carry a curly wig. Now this wig is from Love Me Hair. This wig I think you can get on Amazon, because Love Me Hair is everywhere, girl. You can't escape her. Love Me Hair is just offered. Girl, they may even have it at Walmart. I don't know. A closure wig, so it's easy to throw on, so you don't have to worry about ear tabs and stuff like that. But this one's really, really pretty. It has a gorgeous texture. So pretty, but that's usually what I go for. My last sort of wig, I like to have a bob, because usually when we go on vacation, we don't go to cold places, we go to hot places. This one is from RPG Hair. This is the Bob 04. I had this one for years, and I've worn it on vacations for years. It's one of my favorite wigs because it is Yaki textured. It looks natural. Girl, you can see the glue on there. I haven't washed it, but look how pretty this is. Well, you can't tell that it's pretty, but it's like, it stops right here. It's grown, it's sexy, it's pretty. Perfect for vacations. Just get you a bob wig. That's the type of versatility I like on my trip. Okay, so let's get to the top layer of this bag. This is where I keep my hair tools at the top. I'm only carrying 2 hair tools because one thing that I'm always going to need is a hot comb. Now this hot comb is the Red by Kiss hot comb. I was actually looking for a mini travel hot comb and I really couldn't find one. I'm still on the hunt for it. But in the meantime, in between time, Girl, I do not want to unwrap this whole thing, but let me show y'all. Hold on. It's essentially important to carry a hot comb if you wear wigs because you have to get up in this hairline. When you pack your wigs away, especially when you pack them like me, like you don't care. I care, but you're gonna get all hyped up here and you need to be able to flatten up in this area because nobody likes a wig that gives this. Like nobody likes that. The Red by Kiss hot comb is good. It has temperature dials, a little stand, girl, it's perfect. But it's up to you, but bring a hot comb. The next item is going to be a cordless hair tool. Girl, when I found this, I said, oh girl, I am done. I can curl my hair anywhere in the car, on the go, on the plane, girl, anywhere. I don't know if they kick me off of that, but I feel like I can do anything I want. This thing curls like a dream, but it is cordless. One thing I like about a cordless curling brush, sometimes when you go to a hotel, you don't know where the plugs are gonna be at. So if you and your partner are sharing a bathroom and you only have one bathroom, you need to find another mirror to get ready. And sometimes when you're in a rush, whatever, you want to be able to curl your hair anywhere. That happened to me in Beverly Hills in LA. This thing would have came in clutch, but I ain't had it, girl. I was over here carrying cords around the hotel room. No, ma'am. It takes a long time to warm up, so you gotta prep her up. It takes a long time to warm up, but once you warm her up, she gets hot and she does a great job of creating more of natural waves. It's not like big curls, but you can get natural waves, but you also can try to get big curls by curling it and then releasing the curls like that. But mostly you're gonna get nice, natural, pretty waves, which is perfect for me on vacation because once it's hot anyway, your curls are gonna fall, girl. Let it go, let it go. I love this. It has 4 temperature settings. They're in Celsius, so 210 degrees Celsius, what is that? I don't know, but I know it's hot, hot, hot. Only thing you need to make sure you do is charge this thing. I have a little charger, so I'm able to charge her up, boom, bam. Thank you, ma'am. I love this thing. Now let me go ahead and turn her off because I don't need to be wasting her battery. Must have tool. If you don't get anything in this pack, I would get this, especially if, you know what I'm saying? Like I would get that. That's gonna be the bottom part of this wig pack. So let's see. I have my little clippies up top. So I got like these alligator clippies. I like gold, so I just got gold alligator clippies. I think they're from the Annie brand. One thing that I always need is lace tint mousse. The reason why I need lace tint mousse is because when you're on vacation, if you're in a sunny area and it's hot, you're going to get a tan. Your lace is not gonna match your skin tone, okay? So get you some lace tint mousse, like a buildable lace tint, so that your lace, girl, nobody ever catch you slipping. You do not wanna be caught slipping on vacation. Now you can add makeup to your hairline or to your lace. That's not my preferred method. So makeup on your lace makes your lace look cakey. And stay away from the makeup. Try some mousse. I'm telling you, you won't regret it. So this is my travel mousse. There is the Dola Hair Lace Tint Mousse in the color medium brown. They also have dark brown, but the good thing about this lace tint mousse is that it's buildable. So you can let it dry and add another layer and it can get darker and darker and it will match your skin tone, or it can continue to match your skin tone as you build on the color. That's why I really like lace tint mousses. Girl, game changer, game changer, game changer. For wig application, I got a couple of sprays. How many sprays I got? Girl, I got 3 sprays. Now, one of these is from Amazon, but I'm gonna show you some other wig sprays if you want some other options for wig sprays. I got some black owned options as well. One that I automatically run to, especially in the heat, is this Red by Kiss Style Fixer Lace Bond Spray in Ultimate Hold. When I tell you this thing is not going anywhere, it's super duper sticky. It gives fly trap, girl. Don't go outside in a hot area, start sweating, girl. The flies will stick to your forehead. I'm telling you, your wig is not gonna slip off. That's what I'm saying. It's not gonna slip off. This is made for heat, sweat. I don't know about water, girl. If you wanna be bold and get in the water, you can do that. Make sure you got elastic band combs or something reinforcing what you got going on, because it's gonna be you and your wig and your natural scalp in the pool and everybody else. I don't know if you want to go through that. Some other honorable mentions that I don't think you can get from Amazon unless they've moved to Amazon. This one is the Wig Dealer Melting Spray. This is a black owned business, Ultimate Hold. Now this one doesn't hold as well as the other one, but the way it melts is amazing. I love Wig Dealer. I think Wig Dealer does really, really great products. So you can go ahead and check them out. I like the My Sticky Little Secret melting spray. Now this one is not for a strong hold, but if you're a glue girly and you want to melt your hairline, that's what this is for. This is for melting, because I've used that before with my glueless wigs if I want it to lay, but I want to take it off as well. Like, so if I'm only wearing the wig for like a couple hours, I could use something like this to lay it down, but this is not a strong hold. This is the hair diagram Bold Hold Liquid Gold. I like Bold Hold Liquid Gold, but you have to be careful. If you're heavy-handed, girl, relax, because this thing will flake up on you. But I like using this on my baby hair sometimes if I want to melt my hairline securely. Now, this is just a gel that I can carry that comes in a cute little travel bottle. No, this is 4 fluid ounces. Girl, they may toss this out. This may be a little bit too big, but I like to use Bold Hold Liquid Gold. This is something I'll probably take out of my kit because it's not necessary. I got them other sprays. I don't need this, but still, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it on hand. Those are all the products for wig application. Now for wig styling, this product is the Got to Be baby hair gel thing. It's in a little tube. Now I'm more obsessed that I have baby hair gel in a tube than anything. Like, what? I love that I can use this and just boom, 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 lay it down, or for flyaways and things like that. I just think it's clutch. Especially if you're a natural hair girly, I feel like this is like really, really good for doing your baby hairs and having something on the go. So you can toss this in your bag while you're traveling, but you can have this on you. So I also have for styling my wax stick. This is a She Is Bomb collection wax stick. You can get this from Amazon as well. It's just a wax stick, girl. It's a wax stick. A wax stick is a wax stick. It's a wax stick. I said, when you're flattening this area up here, you gotta get in there, especially on your straight wig. So I like to carry a wax stick with me so we can take care of the flyaways, all that type of stuff. Let's move on to, I talked about lace tints. Now this is like a new addition to the kit. If you want like more of a scalp-like look to your wigs, this is the Perfect Line Swiss Knot and Grit Concealer. This comes in a little chapstick bottle. It's like if you've seen me use this before, you can put it on your lace. First you melt the product, then you put it on your lace, melt it in. There's a certain method that you have to do it. I think I have a video coming up where I'll show you how to do it, but it creates a scalp-like appearance. The only thing about this stuff is when it gets hot, it kind of melts. So don't be sitting in the sun with this, okay? Because you're gonna have chocolate on your on your lace. This is a Knot and Grid concealer. So you know how your lace be showing like the little holes, and then it shows like the grids and the knots as well. So if your knots are not bleached on your wigs and you don't know how to bleach your knots, this is a good option. Let's get to like the smaller, like knick-knacky stuff that we all carry for our wigs. Of course, I'm gonna carry some wig caps. Always gonna have some wig caps. I'm a brown wig cap girly. I do not like light wig caps. They look crazy on me. Really crazy. And people sometimes be clocking me anyways because I don't do the ball cap method. So because I don't do the ball cap method, I need my wig cap to match my skin tone. So I got these from my local beauty supply store. You also can get them off of Amazon. But it's good just to have a pack of new, fresh wig caps on hand because wig caps are real, girl, they be tearing, they be doing all types of stuff. This is our last little section because this section is empty. You see how big that is? Let me get that sticker out of here. Flip that down. You have this section, and this is where I keep like my other miscellaneous like hairstyling stuff. So this is a She Is Bomb edge control. I like to carry some edge control with me just in case I wear my natural hair. Girl, the hair needs to be together. So I take this little itty bitty edge control. This is a water-based edge control. So if your hair is straight, I'm not sure if you would like this. I like water-based edge controls because I can't do too much oil. My skin don't like oil, girl. I got dermatitis. Me and a dermatitis, she always is trying me. She dried out. Oh, girl, this has been in my kit for a minute. She probably still work though. So of course I keep with me a little pack of like elastic rubber bands. And I also have some bobby pins, like a little mini bobby pin holder in here. Probably from like one of my wig packs or something like that, but I keep some bobby pins on hand as well. Also keep a baby hair brush. These hair brushes are a dime a dozen. You could probably find one on the ground if you walked around outside. Girl, baby hair brushes are everywhere. Or you can bring a toothbrush like we used to back in the day. Y'all remember that? The girls that got fancy. Girl, just grab you a little Colgate toothbrush and use that, girl. Get you a toothbrush when you got no baby hair brush. You be all right. I also keep some shears on me just in case I want to do a little trimming, a little cutting. I keep some shears on me. These are Annie shears. These are like my old Annie shears. When I upgrade to different products, I just add the older product to my travel kit. These are just Annie stainless steel shears. They're not the sharpest, but they're good for travel. They're small. They get the job done. Keep some scissors on you. I also keep wig bands. So I like to carry two. Now this is a brand new wig band. I like to keep a brand new one on hand. So this one from Clyde. I just had this one in my pack, so I had an extra one. So I just threw it inside of my travel pack. I keep one for like overnight, and I keep another wig band for daytime. But I don't like to mix my wig bands. I don't know what that's about, but it keeps this from getting gunky, because as you can see, like this one's kind of gunky. Girl, I got another elastic band in here. Girl, I got a wig dealer elastic band. Girl, I got so many elastic bands. Now, if I am wearing a straight wig and I want to style it, we got these rope stylers. Now, I don't know what happened to my third curler, but you get you some rope curlers. I will rope curl my hair, elastic band, bonnet. You wake up in the morning, cute, ready to go. So if I'm in that sort of mood, that's what these are for. These are from Amazon. They're like the velvet ones. Remember the viral ones where you put it at the top of your head, you make a little bun? These are the ones. I usually don't carry a brush with me. I probably should, but I usually don't carry a brush. Since I have a baby hair brush and my hair is fine, I really don't be needing a brush like that. But for like my extensions and stuff like that, I would just carry a comb like this. Girl, I done melted it. But this is just like one of those like barbershop combs. I don't know what this is called. It's not a rat tail, but one of these combs. This gets through straight hair either way, so I'll just usually have this comb on. And if I need to carry a brush for my curly wigs, I will carry my Evolve 572 brush. Love this brush. This is like a Denman brush, so if you want to define the curls on your wig, you can do that. But usually I wouldn't carry something like that. I just like this. I just add water to the hair and girl, call it a day. I think that's everything. Oh, my wig grip. Girl, my wig grip is on my head. Let's see if I can pull it off. She'll need to be on my head anyways right now. See if I can take this off without messing up my wig. Girl, I need a new wig cap. There we go. Just a little trick for the girls. This wig grip, I keep a wig grip on me at all times. This keeps my wigs on. The only thing about it is that sometimes it gives me a headache if I tie it too tight, especially with the wig grip, with the wig cap. But this is the GEX Worldwide Wig Grip. Keeps my wig on. She keeps her secure. The only thing about it is that it can be a little bit aggravating to the head, and it adds a little bit of extra heat. But since I don't do the ball cap method, this is the best option for me, because I'm not doing the ball cap method. I'm just not. You know what I'm saying? You can't be versatile with the ball cap method. I keep a wig grip on hand. Everything for the wig travel must-haves. I think that's what it's called. Wig travel essentials. Yes, girl, I done forgot what it was called. If there's anything that you would add to this list, please let me know down below, because I feel like, girls, my bra showing the whole time. There's definitely some things that I need to add to my list that I definitely know I would forgot that I would benefit from. So y'all just let me know, what other items should I add to this list? Anyways, I love you all. Happy vacationing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.